Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CapTech Pro. In this video, we will see how to deploy folder redirection in Windows Server 2019. Folder redirection enables users and administrator to redirect the path of a known folder to new location manually, or we can do it by using group policy. The new location can be a folder on a local computer or a directory on a file share. So guys, for today's demonstration, we are using two server machine. Let me show you. So guys, this is our first machine, which is our domain controller, and we have assigned the static IP to this server machine, which is 192.168.0.20. Then we have a second machine with the name of client. Let me show you that as well. Okay friends, so this is my second machine with the name of client machine, and we have assigned the static IP to this machine as well, which is 192.168.0.30. We will use this machine to test folder redirection later on. So guys, now let's get back to our domain controller and let's deploy folder redirection using group policy. Okay friends, so now we are on our domain controller. To deploy folder redirection, we will open Server Manager, and in Server Manager, first let me show you, I have created few users and groups to test folder redirection. So on Server Manager dashboard, I will click on Tools and we will click on Active Directory Users and Computers. I will expand this. On Active Directory Users and Computer Wizard, I have created one organization unit with the name of folder redirection, and inside organization unit I have created two users with the name of FR user 1 and second user with the name of FR user 2. I have also created one security group with the name of FR. Let me right click on this and let's click on properties. On security group properties, we'll click on member. So as you can see, right now no user is member of this security group. So we have to add FR user 1 and FR user 2 to this security group. So for adding them, we'll click on add, and now click on advanced and click on find now. I will select both the users, FR user 1 and FR user 2, and now I will click on OK. So as you can see, both the users are now selected, and now I will click on OK. Click on apply and now click on OK. Okay friends, so we have configured our security group, and okay friends, so on this particular security group we have to apply the group policy of folder redirection. So now we'll close this. Okay friends, in order to deploy folder redirection, we have to create an SMB share. So to create SMB share, we'll click on Files and Storage Services, and now we'll click on Shares. To create SMB share, we'll click on Task, and now we'll click on New Share. So in select the profile for this share, we'll select SMB share quick. We'll click on Next. Now we have to add custom path. So we'll select the radio button of type a custom path, and now we'll click on Browse. So inside C drive, first of all I will create one folder for our folder redirection, and I will give the name to this folder FLDR redirect. Okay, so we have created one folder, and now we'll select this folder, and now we'll click on Next. So as you can see, the share name is FLDR redirect, and this is our local path and this is our remote path. So we'll click on Next, and now we'll check the box of enable access based enumeration, because it will display only the files and folder that a user has a permission to access. So we'll check the box, and now we'll click on Next. Now in specify the permissions to control access, we'll click on customize permission. And okay friends, so now we have to give the permission to user 1 and user 2 of our security group. So first of all, we'll click on disable inheritance. Okay friends, so now we'll select convert inherited permission into explicit permission on this object. We'll select this, and now we'll select both the users. We will remove it, and now in order to add security group, we'll click on add, and now in principal we'll select a principal. And now if you don't know the name of security group, you can click on advanced, and now you can click on find now. So we'll go down, and as you can see, FR is our security group. We'll select this and now we'll click on OK. So as you can see, FR is now selected. We'll click on OK. And now in basic permissions, you can see it has a permission of read and execute, list folder content and read. So now we'll click on show advanced permissions. And now we'll check the box of create files and write data and check folders and append data. And we'll uncheck the box of traverse folder and execute file. I think rest permissions are fine. Now we'll click on OK. Okay friends, after selecting the security group, now we'll click on OK, and now we'll click on next, and on confirm selections you can read the share location paths, share properties, and now we'll click on create. So as you can see, our SMB share is successfully created. Now we'll click on close. So as you can see, this is our SMB share. Okay friends, so now we'll go to our group policy management, and we have to create one group policy to deploy folder redirection. So for creating group policy, we'll click on tools, and now we'll click on group policy management. We will expand this. We'll expand forest captechpro.local. Now we'll expand domains. We'll expand captechpro.local. Let me stretch this out. And now we'll okay friends, after expanding captechpro.local, now we have to create new GPO. So for creating new GPO, we'll right click on group policy objects, and now we'll click on new. Now we have to give name to our new GPO. So I will give the name GPO folder redirection, and now we'll click on OK. So now I will expand group policy objects, and this is our newly created GPO. Now I will right click on this, and now we'll click on add it. And now we will expand user configuration. We'll click on policies. We'll click on, now we'll expand Windows setting, and now we will expand folder redirection. So guys, these are the folders which you can redirect to our share folders. So guys, folders which we will redirect are desktop, documents, and we will select downloads as well. So first of all, we'll start with desktop. We'll right click on desktop and we'll click on properties. On desktop properties, in settings, we'll select basic redirect everyone's folder to the same location. And in target folder location, now we have to enter the root path of our share folder. So I have copied that, so I will simply paste it. So this is my remote path of share folder, and now I will click on apply. It is saying, do you want to continue? I will click on yes, and now we'll click on OK. Same we have to perform with documents. So I will right click over here, click on properties, select basic redirect everyone's folder to the same location. Now I will enter the root path, paste it, and click on apply, click on yes, and click on OK. Now let's do for downloads folder as well. Right click over here, properties, basic. Now enter the root path, paste it, click on apply, yes, and click on OK. So guys, we have successfully entered the folder redirection path. Okay friends, so one more thing I want to show you. Right click on desktop folder, click on properties, and now we'll click on settings. So as you can see in settings, and select the redirection settings for desktops. We have checked the box of grant the user exclusive right to desktop, which means administrator will also not have permission to access the share folder. Only the user will have the permission and rights to access data. And in policy removal, we'll select the radio button of leave the folder in the new location when policy is removed. And now we'll click on OK. So guys, we have successfully added our group policy. Now we'll close this, and now we'll link this group policy with our OU, folder redirection. So for linking group policy, we'll right click on organization unit, and now we'll click on link an existing GPU. And now we'll select the GPU, which is GPU folder redirection, and now we'll click on OK. So as you can see, now our GPU is linked to our organization unit. Okay friends, so we have successfully created the group policy, and now we have linked the group policy with the OU. Now it's time to go to our client machine, and let's log in with the credentials of security group FR, and let's see if we are able to deploy folder redirection or not. Okay friends, so now we'll log in with the credentials of our user, which is fruser1. So we'll enter the username. Now we'll enter the password and now we'll log in. It is saying applying folder redirection policy. Okay, so we have successfully logged in. So let's update the group policy. We'll open CMD and now we'll update the group policy. We'll enter the command gp update /force and we press enter. So it is updating our group policy. So as you can see, computer policy update has successfully completed. So it's saying certain user policies are enabled that can only run during logon. So press Y to log off. So we'll press Y and we'll press enter. Let's again log in, enter the password and press enter. We'll close server manager because we don't need it. And now let's create one folder and let's see if our folder redirection is working fine or not. So we'll right click on new and we'll create one folder. Let me give name to this folder, test of folder redirection. So let me enter FR only. So now we'll double click over here and let's check the path. So as you can see, I have created this folder on desktop of our fruser1, but when I click on the path, it is showing the path dc.captechpro.local, which is our domain controller machine FQDN name, and this is our share folder name, which is FLDR redirect. This is our fruser1. We have created the folder in desktop, and this is the folder name, which is test of FR. So we have created one folder in desktop. Now let's create one folder in documents as well. So right click over here, click on new and click on folder, and I will give the name FLDR. Now double click on this folder, and if I will check the path of this folder, same path is showing us. Only the documents and FLDR is different. So friends, now let's go back to our domain controller machine and let's see if the same folders are getting saved in share folder or not. Okay friends, so now we are back on our domain controller machine and let's open our share folder, which is in C drive. Click on this PC, open C drive, and this is our share folder. We'll double click on this, and as you can see, fruser1. So we'll open this, and as we can see, 3 folders are there: desktop, documents, downloads. So I will double click on desktop, and it has prompted one message that you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Only fruser1 will have the permission to access this folder. Even the administrator is not allowed to see what is inside this folder. So we click on cancel. Same is for documents. Administrator will not be able to access any folder data. So guys, we have successfully deployed folder redirection in our Windows Server 2019, and as you can see, it is working fine. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.